What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Miles Morales from Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his hoodie, so I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there, and at the sides I'm gonna extend it downwards and to the side, and then I'm gonna turn it back to the center at the bottom part, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side there. And for the right side, I'm gonna trace that line all the way back up, and then I'm gonna go sideways away from the inner line right there, and then I'm gonna go down on the left to the side of the face and back down right there. Now for his head, I'm gonna draw from this point right here a curved line down all the way to his chin, and then I'm gonna make a turn back up on the left side of the face. And then for his neck, I'm gonna just draw a curved line down at the corner right there, and another one on the right side. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw a curved line up from the center point here to the side, and then another curved line for the lower line of the eye to the side. And then on the outer point here, I'm going to trace the line right there, and we're gonna do a similar shape for the left eye as well, and for the lower point going up at the side. Now for the patterns of the web, I'm going to draw a curved line to the center right there from the inner corner of the eye on both sides, and then I'm going to draw a line up, a curved line up, and then I'm going to draw another curved line up from the upper inner corner of the eye right there, and this one as well. And then I'm going to draw a series of curved lines across from this point to the center and to the other side right there, and another set of curved line across from this point all the way to the right there. And for the lower part, I'm going to draw a curved line in the middle, and then I'm going to go turn it on both sides. And then from the 2 points at the bottom, I'm going to draw a line down to the side of the chin right there, and then another line at this corner right here to the jawline, and another one below the eye right there. And then I'm gonna draw a series of curved line across at this point, and then another one at this point right here, and then on his neck we're gonna draw a line at the side, and another one there, and another one below the chin. Now for the color of the shirt, I'm gonna draw a line out from this point and then turn it down in the center, and then I'm gonna take it, extend it downwards, and then for the outer jacket, I'm gonna draw a line at the corner here to the towards the center, and I'm gonna turn it down with a curved line right there. And at the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line and another curved line for the shoulder and out, and then turn it downwards. Now I'm gonna extend it all the way to the elbow, and then I'm gonna make a turn downwards and towards the wrist. And at the sleeves, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna draw across a curved line and another curved line on this side of the sleeve, and going back up for the inner line of the outer jacket, and another curved line all the way and to that point, and then a semicircle line across to the upper part of the shoulder right there. And above the wrist point, I'm gonna draw another curved line across right there, and we're gonna add a few short lines along the sleeves right there. Now for his fingers and hand, I'm gonna draw a line out from the wrist point and then out on the outer corner of the hand, and for the thumb I'm gonna add a curved line out and then turn it inwards with a semicircle corner there. And for the other finger, I'm gonna take this point right here and draw a line down and a semicircle turn back up to the side, and I'm gonna repeat the shape at the left side here and join that corner with the side. And then above the fist, I'm gonna draw a line across, and then I'm gonna take that line and extend it with a curved line turn to the side of the thumb. Now for the inner line of the jacket, I'm gonna extend it down to that point right there, and then I'm gonna make a turn out towards the left arm. And for the inner line of the jacket, we're gonna make that extend it down further down than the outer jacket and turn it to the side as well. And then around the collar, I'm gonna draw a straight line with a curved line on top, and we're gonna trace the outer line right there and a curved line at the bottom point right there. And on the right side of the jacket, I'm gonna extend this line down and then turn it sideways to the right and turn it back up at the side. And then for the outer line, I'm gonna draw another line across to the bottom point there, and I'm gonna turn this side up. And for the shoulder line, I'm gonna draw a line out from this point and turn it down to the side, and we're gonna make it curvy to the wrist. And we're gonna copy the whole shape of the sleeves right there on the right side. Now for his fingers on this side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down. This is the thumb, so I'm gonna turn it sideways and then back to the side with a semicircle, and then make a curved line up at the center of the palm there, and at the side I'm gonna draw a curved line there, and his fingers with a line down, and then turn it to the side and up and back to the thumb, and we're gonna copy that shape across the other finger as well. Now above the thumb, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there. Now for his short, I'm gonna draw a line across in the middle of the jacket and another line below that and another line at that point right there. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line down at that point right there, all the way down to slightly above the knee, and then I'm gonna draw across the short, lowest point of the short, and then turn it back up to this corner, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and on the right side we're gonna draw the short as well. And then for his legs, I'm gonna draw a line down below the short on both sides, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line slightly outwards below the knee and then back inwards as you reach the ankle point. Now for his shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn and turn it sideways and then back down at this corner right here. And in the middle of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a circle and a teardrop shape at the side and another teardrop shape inside of that, and then I'm gonna copy that on this side, and then a string on both sides going down, and the crisscross string below that, and another set and another set, and then I'm gonna draw a line on both sides below this last string and turn it sideways, and then at the side of the shoes I'm gonna make a semicircle turn down to the side, and I'm gonna extend it all the way down and flare out at the bottom. Now I'm gonna make a turn across at the bottom point right there, and in front of the shoe I'm gonna draw another curved line across right there, and below the lowest point on both sides I'm gonna add a line down, and I'm gonna draw across the same curved line, the bottom point right there. For the right legs, I'm gonna draw a line down, and I'm gonna curve it slightly in at the knee and then straight down to the shoe. And then for the back line, I'm gonna draw a line down, and we're gonna make a curved line out and then downwards to the ankle point, similar to the left leg. Then for the front of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side and then turn it to the front, and then I'm gonna make a turn back down at the outer line right there, and we're gonna copy the same shape for the shoe tie right there, and to the front of the shoe I'm gonna add a curved line and a semicircle turn at the front part right there. And at the back of the shoe I'm going to draw a semicircle turn to the side and down and extend it all the way to the base of the shoe, and then I'm going to draw a curved line across from the back to the front, and then on both front and the back I'm going to draw a line down and draw another curved line across the base of the shoe. Going back to the top of the shoe, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line to the front and turn it down. And then below the last tie in front of the shoe, I'm going to draw a line to the front and turn it sideways. Then a curved line to this front right there. And then for the web patterns on the legs, we're gonna draw across a curved line below the knee right there, and then I'm gonna draw a straight line going down across the leg, and we're gonna draw a set of curvy lines across in between those vertical lines. And we're gonna do the same thing for the right side right here. And along the neck as well, I'm gonna add those curved line across and all the way down to the short. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section